What's going on, guys? I'm Zoe from Zappos, and today we're checking out the Ghost 12 GTX by Brooks. No matter your terrain, these running shoes will keep you moving forward. Your upper is a flexible and breathable mesh with a GORE-Tex waterproof membrane to keep out the elements, a traditional lace-up closure for a secure fit, and the inside has a cushioned tongue and collar with a soft fabric lining and removable foam insole for excellent underfoot comfort. The midsole is going to be really responsive with each stride, and underneath, a grooved outsole provides nice cushioning and grip. Strides so smooth, people will be like, was that a ghost? Nah, dude. You're just wearing these sweet shoes. Check them out. They're by Brooks.